quick fix with no money. Like when you get it done. He got this trailer for $1,000. He's just trying to make something out of nothing. But to do it professional as we go. That stain you see there has no softness to it. Even though it looks kind of old, been in here, they filled this up. Just to show how tight this fits. Like I said, this is a... all I gotta do is screw it down. Look at that. Boom. Nice. Good work. Professionalism every time. I don't know if I heard that, but we're good. Hey, this is Trix. Look at this. Raspberry red, lemon yellow. Hey, I like this. This is all pretty solid. It's got a little color. Just peeled that up. Look how they correct. That's what we do. Then we'll go under and staple that, and then we'll put the our R-Factor tarp material in there, and we'll continue the same. We got this going about 1.5 feet beyond, almost to the heat run, and then that way it's tight, and we won't have no problem, no issue no more. Another one. Same thing. Then we'll staple it from the bottom up. Get our plywood in there. That's what we want. Subscribe, like, if you like what you see. Thanks. The pieces in. Now it's hot. We're gonna show what this can be.